Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla HVAC heater blower noise and the potential problems based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, occupants may notice unusual noises coming from the HVAC system when the heater blower is operating. These sounds can include humming, whirring, buzzing, clicking, or rattling, and may be more noticeable at specific fan speeds or during cold weather operation. Steering, braking, and propulsion remain unaffected, but cabin comfort and perceived refinement can be impacted. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, HVAC hardware design, and operating conditions rather than indicating a universal HVAC system failure. Verified information shows that one documented factor involves the heater blower motor and fan assembly. The blower relies on a motor and balanced fan to move air through the HVAC ducts. Variations in bearing wear, fan balance, or internal resistance can generate noise during operation. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by vehicle age, climate usage, or frequency of heater operation, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Debris and airflow obstruction have also been reviewed. As a possible contributing factor, dust, leaves, or small debris entering the HVAC intake can contact the blower fan or housing and cause intermittent or speed-dependent noise, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Temperature-related behavior is another documented consideration. During cold starts, material contraction or lubricant viscosity changes within the blower motor can temporarily increase noise until the system warms up. HVAC ducting and trim interaction further influence behavior. Expansion and contraction of plastic duct components or nearby trim panels can transmit or amplify normal blower sounds, making them more noticeable inside the cabin. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include observing whether noise changes with fan speed, temperature, or driving time, and checking whether it occurs only during heating operation. If blower noise is persistent, loud, or worsening, service inspection is recommended to evaluate the blower motor, fan balance, and HVAC ducting. Reviewed information indicates that heater blower noise is not universal and often relates to blower motor characteristics, debris intrusion, temperature effects, or duct interaction rather than a failure of the heating system itself. In conclusion, Tesla HVAC heater blower noise is generally linked to normal or age-related blower behavior, environmental factors, and component interaction rather than a defect affecting vehicle operation. The experience varies by vehicle configuration and conditions, and proper evaluation is required if the noise continues. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.